You want to do it or anything?
Oh, you're on dates too, huh?
2025.
The guys over in the Netherlands.
Pretty neat, huh?
But, you know, not bad for a double lung transplant. And 2 open heart surgeries.
We're shot. It's not working.
End-stage renal disease. And back in hospital. And I'm still kicking. And it's a back-to-back dialysis session. Taking as much real estate as you would like. Make it big.
This dang, this pen is a bitch.
You want? I got another pen. You want a better pen?
Or a Sharpie, a silver
No, I got a
Sharpie.
Sharpie. It's a silver Sharpie.
Perfect.
Perfect. They're excellent.
Okay.
These are
Neat. Remember for the 29 RS? And then this, you'll recognize that. That to me is one of the most beautiful lights I've ever seen in my entire life. So Jeff Mason there. That's Jason the Cavalier.
Yeah.
Painter. That's it. That's right there. And then if I could have you, would you sign the March 2016 bike?
Yeah, I'll probably link up there for now.
Yes. Those bikes, by the way, eventually will be on the measurements. I want your story to be told. That's what I'm hoping. Bikes over there. That's pretty cool. That's what I'm hoping. Yeah, the whole point of it is reaching out to the world. My goal is to take those bikes. It's pretty good.
I told them today, I thought I didn't know there could be over here too. Yeah, I know. How's Bill doing? Real good.
Another time. Even over this small thing, I want to make sure that people